Let's make this crispy and cheesy baguette. It is delicious. All ingredients I bought in Lidl for €7.03. First, I'm going to preheat oven to 170 degrees. And I'm going to cut chorizo into small cubes. Chorizo is high in fat, so I don't need to use any oil. I chose this spicy chorizo because of its flavor. I'm going to fry chorizo on the pan, keeping low to medium heat. In the meantime, while chorizo is frying, I'm going to chop the mushrooms. Add chopped mushrooms to the pan, mix it and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Cut the baguette into half. I'm going to prepare homemade garlic sauce. Crush 1 garlic clove and add it to the yogurt. Mix it and it's ready. And I forgot to add garlic to the list, so please forgive me. But there is a solution. You can go knock to your neighbor's door and just ask for 1 garlic clove. Now add chorizo and mushrooms. Top it up with mozzarella cheese. Put it into the oven for about 7 minutes. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.